wind warning.
Wednesday. What? South winds 35 to 45 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour expected.
Dude, another one.
Where? Portions of southern Delaware and central and southern New Jersey.
Yo,
When?
another
From
high
6 p.m.
wind warning.
Tuesday to 4 a.m. Wednesday.
Let's go.
Impacts. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines.
Got another high wind
Widespread
warning.
power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult,
Why did you
especially
still not
for
go off?
high-profile
Same for you.
vehicles. People should avoid being outside around trees.
Yay!
Use caution if you must drive. For the following areas in New Jersey: Western Passaic, Eastern Passaic, Hudson, Western Bergen, Eastern Bergen, Western Essex, Eastern Essex, Western Union and Eastern Union, and the following areas in New York: Orange, Putnam, Rockland, Northern
Dude,
Westchester,
another high wind
Southern
warning.
Westchester, Manhattan and Bronx,
We
and
got
the following
two high
areas
wind
in
warnings.
Connecticut: Northern Fairfield, Northern New Haven, and Northern Middlesex. Wind advisory in effect from 6 p.m. Tuesday to 6 a.m. Wednesday. What?
Yo.
Southeast winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour expected.
Look at that, guys.
Where? Portions of
91
southern
EAS
Connecticut,
captures.
northeast New Jersey, and southeast New York.
Unbelievable.